Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you 10 genius kitchen storage hacks to maximize your space and create an organized and spacious cooking haven. Hack 1. Utilize the inside of your cabinet doors. Install storage racks or hooks to hang pots, pans, and utensils. Hack 2. Use clear containers to store dry goods like flour, sugar, and pasta. Not only does it save space, but it also makes it easier to see what you have. Hack 3. Convert your cabinet shelves into pull-out drawers. This allows for easy access to items at the back and eliminates the need to dig through cluttered cabinets. Hack 4. Make use of vertical space by adding a pegboard on the wall. Hang cooking utensils, cutting boards, and even pots and pans, freeing up valuable counter and cabinet space. Hack 5. Reclaim under-sink space by installing a tension rod. Hang spray bottles and cleaning supplies to keep them organized and within easy reach. Hack 6. Maximize your pantry by using clear, stackable containers for snacks, cereal, and spices. Label them for even better organization. Hack 7. Attach a magnetic strip to the inside of a cabinet door. It's perfect for storing knives and metal utensils, keeping them easily accessible and out of the way. Hack 8. Hang a shoe organizer on the back of your pantry door. It's a fantastic way to store spices, condiments, and even snacks in labeled pockets. Hack 9. Install a pot lid organizer to keep your lids neatly stacked and easily accessible. No more searching for the right lid when you need it. Hack 10. Use an adjustable drawer divider to keep your kitchen utensils organized. Separate your spoons, spatulas, and more, creating a clutter-free and efficient cooking space. Thanks for watching our video. If you found these kitchen storage hacks helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas. Stay organized and enjoy your cooking haven.